Welcome! If you want to customize always on display in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at the first we have to go for the settings, then find lock screen, go for the always on display, and as you can see at the first we got three options. We can choose show as schedule, so show as always, and then tap to show for 10 seconds. So let's take a look how it looks. So right now when we tap on the screen we will get always on display for the 10 seconds. I think it's the best option because our battery will be in a better condition. It will not drain the battery like the show always feature. We can also activate show music information on the lock screen. We can change screen orientation to landscape. And of course we can change our theme. So the default themes are here. And as you can see, we can change this one by tapping here. So we can choose, for example, the calendar or our alarms. I think that I'm going to take this one. And we can change color of our captions, as you can see right here. Click done. And of course, we can also set up the different themes right here. We can download from the Galaxy themes, but we can also choose from the gallery. So if we have the photos in your gallery, you are able to set it as your theme, but in my case it is not going to happen because I don't have any pictures. But let's take this one and then click done, and when we go back here you can see that the theme of our always on display has changed. So that's how we can customize always on display in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.